Got a 1999 Freightliner Argosy here. Came from Universal Studios down in California. 55,000 original miles, 3,100 and change hours. All original truck. You can see it's got the faded purple Imron, which was their color. Aluminum wheels all the way around. We had planned to keep this truck and pull our hydraulic tail trailer with it. So we did a bunch of work I wouldn't normally do. We put a 2-line wet kit on the truck, and also had this hitch made for the rear so we could pull bumper pull trailers and have air and whatnot. But anyway, has a single locker in the rear, excellent rubber all the way around. Just kind of time warp condition. Look inside. Put new mattresses in. No evidence of smoking or anything like that. Really nice, clean interior. It's got a aftermarket California particulate filter on it. That's what this is indicating here. We were going to remove all that stuff, and I actually found the correct stanchion and exhaust, and we'll include that with the sale if people want it. Heated mirrors, I don't know, it's got more gauges in it than I've ever seen in a Freightliner. Power mirrors, heated mirrors, door locks, windows, of course. 10-speed Rockwell transmission. Truck has to be